Hi guys. So one thing that gives me the most anxiety, the most fear in riding my bike is that I cannot see what is happening immediately behind me. This is truly the one blind spot in riding a bike that I cannot see what's happening here. Of course, I have my two side mirrors, and depending on what kind of bike setup you have, your mirrors may be flipped to the bottom or they may be a little bit extended. But usually, the mirrors are used more to see what's happening on your immediate side lanes or your blind spots. It's really not the best to see what's happening right behind you on your lane. Also, when you're riding a bike, you have your helmet on, your bike is loud, there's the noise in the street. It's really difficult to predict what's going on. That by far gives me the most fear. This is why you've seen in a lot of my videos when I come to a full stop at a traffic light, I'll inadvertently turn my body and I'll try to take a peek at what's happening right behind me. And sometimes I'll even make eye contact with the driver. Also, if I'm at a traffic light, I'll try to scooch a little bit more far ahead into the pedestrian lane. I know this is not optimal, but I do it anyways, only because I fear getting crushed from behind. There's nothing I can do from if a car rear ends me. I have just zero control. If something is about to happen ahead of me or on the sides, I'll at least have a chance, a couple of seconds to either brake my bike or to maneuver out of the way. But if I'm at a full stop and if there's somebody who's coming from behind and doesn't know me, doesn't know where I am, I'm toast. So, yeah, this is my little experience. I'm wondering if you guys have the same experience as well. I don't know, maybe it's different because you have your mirrors placed differently, or I don't know. I think I've seen a couple of bikes where they have extended mirrors so that you can see not only what's happening on the side but also in the back. Let me know, share your experience, post a comment. Take care. Bye.